Woo, I love the twisties. Woo, it is cold. All right, I'm going against everything I believe in. It is 38 degrees today, and I usually don't ride when it's lower than 45 degrees, but man, this FZ10 is so much fun. Today I want to talk to you about motorcycle deaths. And we're going to focus on stats. In 2015, there were almost 5,000 motorcycle deaths in the United States. This was up about 8% from 2014, where there was about 4,500 deaths. That's real serious. %40 of those motorcycle deaths in 2015 were people not wearing their helmet. There are 20 states in the United States that enforce helmet laws. I'm one of them. Alabama enforces helmet laws. In my opinion, all motorcyclists should wear a helmet. So here are some safety tips. Wear a helmet. Drive defensively. I've seen some guys wearing the airbag wearables. I think out of all of this is riding defensively. Ride defensively. If you see some crazy cager on the road, back off. Do not ride up next to that car making things worse, because you don't know what's going on in that guy or girl's life. He or she may have just lost their job, got a divorce, they may be drunk. You don't know, and all it takes is them to just turn that wheel just a little bit and hit you. Yes, this is a super serious moto vlog, but sometimes we need these, guys. We need to be conscious of these things. So this is a short moto vlog. I'm not going to ramble on about this topic. I think most of you are aware of the dangers and the risks riding a motorcycle. That's why we do it. It's fun. But if you like my video, please give me a like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button. And I just really appreciate you guys taking time and watching today. Thank you.